Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how to sow the winter flowering seed, and here I have taken coco peat. I think this is the best way to sow the seeds in plastic glasses, and then we can shift them to pots. So I have taken coco peat in this coco peat because the rate of germination of the seeds will be faster when compared to soil, because the soil is comparatively thick and sticky even. And I have made good drainage at the bottom of the glasses. I have put 2 to 3 holes so that the water can drain out completely, and my preference is coco peat over soil to germinate your seeds at a starting level. So these are the different glasses I have taken. So first let's start with the marigold. This is the marigold seeds, and these are the seeds which I have got from the trust seeds. So these are the kind of seeds which are available for marigold, and let's put them in the different glasses. You just need to put them like this. As the glass is very small, I'm not pushing them much. I'm putting marigold in 2 to 3 glasses. So in these 3 I have put the marigold seeds. Now we just need to cover them with a layer of coco peat again. So again I'm using to layer it with coco peat because it is easy for the seeds to come up once after germination is done. And you have to put a very thin layer of coco peat. Cover the other glasses also with a very thin layer of coco peat. So we are done now. I have covered almost all the seeds with a very thin layer of coco peat, and you just need to water it now and keep it in a shady place. Don't expose it to direct sunlight. I'm just using a small cup to pour water so that there is no much pressure on the seeds. So these are the marigold plants which I have planted almost 15 days back, and you can see the roots here. They have spread all over. And now I guess it's time for these particular plants to repot them. Else you can also wait for more 10 days and you can repot them till these kind of leaves you see. So as the plants are very small, I have removed as it is from the glass, and I'm not separating them. I'll plant it as it is into the pot. So here I have potted them as it is into this around 5 to 7 inches pot, I guess this is. They're currently very healthy and hope it grows soon. This is the height of the plant, almost around after 1 month to 45 days. It doesn't need so much of care also. So I just have repotted them when they were around 5 to 7 inches. And see. So for this I have a lot of buds here but no flowers. And second one, and this plant has many flowers, even very small they are, but then they have grown very well. And this is one of them. So those are the almost yellow shade these are, and this is the orange one. So this one is a 5 to 7 inches pot, and I have planted around 1 or 2 small plants in this particular pot, and this is the orange marigold, and it has grew really very well. So guys, growing a marigold plant right from the seed level is not very difficult. It's very easy, just that you have to drop a few seeds of marigold. The seeds are nothing but these inner ones. Once it dries, they become the seeds itself. So it's very easy to grow and nothing to maintain also. So hope you like this video and try growing this flowers at your home.